Hi there, and welcome to our channel. I'm Sage, from Sage Academia Limited. Today, I'm going to guide you through the essential parts of a professional resume and what to avoid to make your CV resume stand out. Your resume is the first impression you make on a potential employer, and an exceptional first impression can be the difference between landing your dream job and being stuck in your current situation. Think about it. Would you buy a beat-up car with a questionable history from a sketchy salesman? No way. You want something sleek, reliable, and well-presented. We'll break down each section step by step, showing you exactly what to include, what to avoid, and how to make your resume stand out from the competition. So, grab a pen and paper, get ready to take some notes, and let's dive in. Let's start with what to include in your resume. Contact information. Make it easy for employers to reach you. First impressions matter, and your contact information is the first thing employers see. Make sure it's clear, correct, and easy to find at the top of your resume. Your full name should be the most prominent thing on the page. Next should be your location, city, country, followed by your phone number, the country code included, and a professional email address. And when I say professional, I mean an email address that actually sounds like it belongs to a grown-up. No crazy nicknames, no random numbers, just your first and last name in a simple format. Your email address is your virtual first impression. Professional summary. Your elevator pitch on paper. Your professional summary is your opportunity to create a powerful first impression and convince employers you're worth their time in a few short sentences. Highlight your biggest achievements, your most relevant skills, and your career goals. Think of it like this. If your resume was a movie trailer, your professional summary would be the part that gets people hyped up and eager to see more. You want to leave them wanting more, not snoring before the main feature even starts. Keep it concise, powerful, and tailored to the specific job you're applying for. Education. Keep it relevant. It's essential, but nobody wants to read a novel about your academic journey from early childhood to higher education. Start with your most recent education, like your master's or bachelor's degree, and work backward. List the institution name, its location, city, country, the program you followed, the years you attended, the degree you earned, and the date of graduation. If you're a recent graduate, feel free to mention your GPA, especially if it's impressive. However, if it's been a while since you graduated and your work experience speaks for itself, your GPA becomes less important. Remember, space on your resume is precious real estate. Work experience. Show, don't just tell. This is where the magic happens, the part of your resume where you get to shine. Start with your most recent job and work backward. List your job title, the company's name, the company's location, city, country, the dates of employment, and the key responsibilities and achievements. Don't just tell me what you did, show me how well you did it. Use bullet points to highlight your responsibilities and accomplishments, quantifying your achievements whenever possible. Avoid using I, me, or my. Write in a professional third-person manner. Instead of saying manage social media accounts, say increase social media engagement by 20% in 6 months. See the difference? Remember, your resume is about selling yourself, and numbers speak louder than words. Your work experience is your chance to show employers what you've accomplished and how you can add value to their company. Skills. The right tools for the job. This section is all about showcasing the skills you've acquired throughout your academic and professional journey. Tailor your skills section to the specific job you're applying for, highlighting the skills that are most relevant and in demand. Include a mix of hard skills like proficiency in certain software or technical expertise, and soft skills such as communication, teamwork, critical thinking, attention to details, and problem solving. Remember, employers are looking for candidates who not only have the technical skills, but also the interpersonal skills to thrive in a collaborative environment. Think of it as your personal toolbox, filled with the tools and expertise you bring to the table. Certifications and licenses. Proof of your expertise. This is your chance to showcase any certifications or licenses you've earned that are relevant to the job. List the name of the certification or license, the issuing organization, and the date you obtained it. Keep it concise and to the point, just like your other sections. Remember, employers are looking for candidates who are committed to professional development and staying ahead of the curve in their field. Languages. Bridging the communication gap. In today's increasingly globalized world, being multilingual is a valuable asset. If you're fluent in more than one language, don't be shy about showcasing your linguistic skills. List the languages you speak and your proficiency level for each. Be honest about your abilities, as you don't want to find yourself in a situation where you've overstated your skills. Professional affiliations, optional. Networking and industry involvement. This section is optional, but it's a great way to demonstrate your commitment to your field and your involvement in professional organizations. List the names of the organizations you're a member of and any leadership roles you hold. Professional affiliations can showcase your networking abilities and your dedication to staying up to date on industry trends. Awards and honors, optional. Recognizing your achievements. This section is dedicated to highlighting any awards or honors you've received throughout your academic or professional journey. List the name of the award, the organization that granted it, and the date you received it. Keep it relevant to your target audience and avoid listing every single participation trophy you've ever received. The key is to showcase your most impressive achievements that demonstrate your skills and expertise. Volunteer experience, optional. Giving back and making a difference. Volunteering not only makes a difference in the world, but also demonstrates your character, empathy, and willingness to go the extra mile. If you've dedicated your time to volunteering, especially for causes related to your field, don't hesitate to include it in your resume. List the organization's name, your role, and the dates of your involvement. Volunteering showcases your soft skills, such as teamwork, communication, and problem solving, which are highly valued by employers. References. Think of references as your professional backup singers, ready to vouch for your skills and experience when you're not in the room. While it's not necessary to list them directly on your resume, it's crucial to have them ready to go when requested. Instead of including their contact information, simply state, "References available upon request." This saves valuable space on your resume and allows you to control when and how your references are contacted. Choose your references wisely, selecting individuals who can speak to your skills, work ethic, and character. Alright, now that we've covered what to include in your resume, let's talk about what to avoid. These are the resume mistakes that disappoint employers and quickly get your application marked as rejected before you even have a chance for an interview. Irrelevant personal information. Your photo, age, marital status, religious beliefs, and favorite pizza toppings have no place on your resume. Include a photo on your resume only if it aligns with regional or industry norms and enhances your professional image. Otherwise, it's best to leave it out. Keep your resume professional and focused on your skills and experience. Salary information. Discussing salary is best left for the later stages of the hiring process, after you've had a chance to showcase your value and negotiate from a position of strength. Unprofessional email address. This is a big mistake that can hurt your chances of getting hired. Employers may see it as a sign of a lack of seriousness or professionalism. Avoid using nicknames and random numbers in your email address. Instead, use a simple email address with your first and last name, just like they appear on your national ID or passport. This makes you look more professional. Too much personal information. Avoid including details about hobbies or interests unless they are directly relevant to the job you're applying for. Negative or controversial information. Avoid mentioning reasons for leaving previous jobs, criticisms of former employers, or controversial topics. Lengthy paragraphs. Use bullet points for clarity and brevity instead of long paragraphs. Outdated or irrelevant jobs. Focus on recent and relevant work experience. Exclude jobs that do not add value to your application. References. Instead of listing references, simply state that they are available upon request. Jargon and complex language. Don't use words or phrases that are too technical or complicated because not everyone will understand them. Keep your language simple and clear so everyone can easily read it. Inconsistent formatting. Ensure the formatting is consistent throughout the document for a professional appearance. False information. Never include misleading or false information about your qualifications, skills, or experience. Personal pronouns. Avoid using I, me, or my, write in a professional third-person manner. Sensitive information. Do not include your social security number, national identification number, or other sensitive information. Keep it concise and avoid lengthy paragraphs that read like a personal memoir. Stick to bullet points and quantify your achievements whenever possible. Negative or controversial information has no place on your resume. Focus on your accomplishments and avoid bad-mouthing previous employers or discussing sensitive topics. Keep it concise and to the point, using bullet points to highlight your skills and experience. Congratulations. You've made it to the end of our resume masterclass. By now, you should have all the tools and knowledge you need to craft a standout resume that grabs employers' attention and lands you that dream job. Remember, your resume is your first impression, your chance to showcase your skills, experience, and value to potential employers. Take the time to tailor it to each job you apply for, highlighting the most relevant information and avoiding common resume pitfalls. Make sure it's visually appealing, error-free, and easy to read. And most importantly, don't be afraid to showcase your personality and let your unique skills and experience shine through. Thank you for watching. We're dedicated to helping you succeed in your career journey, providing valuable insights, resources, and guidance every step of the way. Remember, your dream job is out there, and with an impressive resume and a little bit of effort, you'll be well on your way to landing it. Enjoying our content? Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Comment your thoughts and questions. Like if you found it helpful, share with friends who might benefit. Turn on notifications to stay informed. Thank you for your support.